Have you ever wondered why some men seem to have an unexplainable influence over women? It's not about charm or looks, it's about control. And no, we're not talking about controlling women, but controlling your attention. Women thrive on attention. It's what makes them feel visible, important, and alive. And the men who master the art of managing their attention hold the ultimate power in relationships. So, if you want to build stronger connections and maintain your individuality, you need to learn the fine art of ignoring women strategically. When a woman feels that a man's attention is not readily available, it shakes her confidence. This isn't about manipulation, it's about creating a balance. Let me break it down. She posts a beautiful picture. Resist the urge to like or comment. She shares updates constantly. Scroll past without reacting. She comments on your post. Acknowledge sometimes, but not always. What does this do? It challenges her ego. She starts to subconsciously question her importance in your life, which often makes her more intrigued by you. It's human psychology. We value what feels scarce. She wants 100% of your attention, but all she truly needs is 30% of your attention, but then even she doesn't know it. When you don't give a woman 100% of your attention, she works harder to earn it, and in the process, she values you more. Balance is key. Divide your attention wisely. 1. 50%. Focus on your purpose. Chase your goals, build your career, and secure your future. Women admire men who are driven and ambitious. 2. 20%. Dedicate this time to yourself. Work on your health, your hobbies, and your mental well-being. A man who values himself is naturally attractive. 3. 30%. Give her thoughtful attention. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to make her feel special but not overwhelmed. If you give her 100, she will abuse it in no time. Too much of everything is bad. This balance isn't just for dating. It applies to marriages and long-term relationships too. Too much attention can feel suffocating, while too little can create distance. The key is intentional effort. Why 100% attention doesn't work. When you shower a woman with constant attention, here's what happens. 1. She gets too comfortable. She begins to take you for granted. 2. She loses interest. There's no mystery or excitement. 3. You lose yourself. You stop chasing your dreams and goals because you're too focused on her. Women might not agree with this perspective, but deep down, even they know this balance is essential for a healthy relationship. It keeps both partners grounded and prevents the relationship from becoming one-sided. Learning to manage your attention isn't about playing games or being manipulative. It's about understanding human behavior. Women are drawn to men who are confident, independent, and purpose-driven. By giving her just enough attention and keeping the rest for yourself, you create a dynamic where she values you more and respects your individuality. Remember, the goal isn't to ignore her completely. It's to engage strategically and build a balanced, fulfilling relationship. Try this approach, and you'll notice a positive shift in your relationships. And as always, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree or disagree with this perspective?